Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to make fake and invisible walls inside Unity. I have a very simple scene setup that basically has a ground plane, one sphere that I have attached a movement script to it, and one wall object. The wall object is basically a cube that I have scaled to look like a wall. Now, in order to make fake walls, first of all, what is a fake wall? A fake wall is a wall that we can see but we can actually move through it. In order to make that, I will select the wall and I will just turn off the box collider. Now if I go into play mode and I try to go through the wall, I can basically just fly off. Now in order to make an invisible wall, we select the wall and we do the opposite. We keep the box collider but we turn off the mesh renderer. Now in play mode we won't see the wall, but the box collider is still there. And if I go into play mode, I can just collide with the wall even though we can't see it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.